have the shit. Why is there a thick ass cord? What the fuck is? Why is this so fucking? Why Xbox? Why are these cords so fucking thick? Xbox, why? Why can't you make shit? Look at these big shits. What the fuck am I could kill somebody. I could literally fucking kill. Why? Xbox, why is so fucking big? Why? I want sleek and sexy. I don't want fucking thick and fucking... It is kind of sexy though, I'm not even gonna lie. I mean, look at the way it's glistening. Look at that. It is kind of sexy, but why is it so big and heavy? I don't know. Why? Xbox? I'm not going to use this. I mean, you know your Xbox is connected online at all times. I mean, what if, like, I'm trying to, like, do my thing and handle my personal business, and, like, this shit caught on and motherfuckers could see what I'm doing? Xbox, I don't know about that. I'm probably not going to use... Get the fuck